investment. So we then try to remove all the hurdles in the way of investors. So the World Bank, its index for ease of doing business, Pakistan was one of the top countries. We climbed 28 places. Of course, a long way to go, but this is the direction the country is headed. Our investment in 1 year foreign investment jumped 200%. So, and the profitability, I think Unilever is here, their profitability went up. The other is other foreign investors have come back. Cargill, for instance, it had gone away, so that came back to Pakistan. So the whole idea is to now incentivize businesses, industry, remove hurdles in their way, change the mindset from the socialist mindset, which was envious of profit making, change it to the more people make profits, the more investors come to your country. And to ensure that we do not go back into the days of when you have conflict, we have played our part in trying to avert the conflict between Saudi Arabia and Iran, which would be disastrous for Pakistan. So Pakistan played its part there. We are now working actively with the Americans for peace in Afghanistan. So there are good signs. There's a chance of ceasefire in Afghanistan. Very important for us because that opens up the economic corridor from Pakistan to Central Asia. The areas where we are hoping to attract investment, agriculture is one, because we have fertile agricultural land, but unfortunately very low productivity because there have been no new techniques coming in. We don't utilize the water properly and so on. So we are trying to attract investors in agriculture. In minerals, Pakistan has probably one of the best gold and copper reserves, but still we haven't had mining companies coming to Pakistan for various reasons. So we are now giving them very good terms for the mining companies to come over. And also the other area, we now, a revolutionary first time in Pakistan is trying to go into digital Pakistan. We have our young experts in that area, Tanya, who's come back from Singapore, and she's handling that. So we are inviting foreign companies, technical companies to come and invest in that. So basically, we are right now, first year was spent in stabilizing Pakistan also, because we inherited, as I said, this huge current account deficit. So the first year was really stabilizing our currency. We brought down our current account deficit by 75%. And now this year is the year where we want our economy to grow. And we need growth because obviously we want to provide employment. We have the second youngest population in the world, so we need to, the economy needs to grow. So we are doing everything possible to attract investment, make it easy for our local to invest, giving them incentives. And it's the first time since the 60s that is consciously now planning to help its industry grow.
Prime Minister, thanks for that and for really spelling out what you want to achieve.